Xshot Hawkeye, button box.
Hey, you have to be up like super early tomorrow. Your bus is picking up at like 6:30.
Oh yeah, because I have to go to Forbes. So basically, like 4:45 or something. 4:45. Do I have to send my alarm for that?
Careful, no birdie, I can fall that.
Is this like a sniper rifle right here? Look at this. Sorry.
So I got you some new shorts.
Yeah, from Marsh. Because we went to Monsters the other day.
No, I went to Ross.
Oh.
Got you a black pair.
Sweet.
These ones black pair. That's so cool. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the dragon on them.
Skulls and stuff.
Yeah.
Got another black pair.
Sweet. Lots of black.
Yeah, you like black. Black goes with everything.
Mm-hmm.
Try not to wear the ones in school that don't have elastic in them. These are all brand new. Have a black pair.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think they're all a little different though.
Jordan like that?
Oh, I gotta go grab your AC. Huh?
Yeah. Put the Jordan like that. Right. Prime it. Where this bad boy at? Oh, got George. Got another duck. Go attack.
Earlier. I think it's at the meeting. When your school taking your shoes.
Okay. Don't get in the way of the camera though. Oh yeah. Prime it. Because of the scope too. That's it for everyone. Peace.